In second number video, we will see about science trip. Now she is going on a moon, and what she see there we will see in this video. Now see student. Now the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting the moon in every 32 minutes. The shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. Student, when they are reaching on the moon, that time means they are going to closer to close the moon. Okay, that time the space shuttle started to taking orbiting means student moving around, means taking around the moon. Okay, and after the 32 minutes there one revolution is completed. Okay, now see student, while taking revolution they experience light after darkness followed each other in a quick succession. After the while taking orbiting, they have seen the dome-shaped settlement on the moon, which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos were now visible. Now see student, after taking when they are going closer on the moon, they saw there the dome-shaped settlement. Okay, and that looked like an igloo. Igloo, do you know? You have studied in geography subject that Eskimos people live in a igloo. Their home name is a igloo. Okay, now student, they that settlement look like a igloo. Now see student, next is that after some time, Chinese shuttle made a slow, measured and safe landing on the moon. The door of the shuttle was opened and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. Now, after the sometimes what happened? The Chinese shuttle made slow, measured. Slow measured means student steady. Means they film the measurements. Okay, and they want to now land on the moon. Okay, then the door of the shuttle was opened and the children were escorted through the airtight tunnel. Means what student? We all know that on moon, if you see that gravitational force, okay, that is the less more than Earth, and because of that, what happened? We all float in the air on the moon. We can't stand on that land, and because of that, airtight tunnel was prepared for the student. Those are coming as a school trip on the moon. Okay, and that dome-shaped settlement's name was the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, now see student, next is that the receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instruction at the very outset. Now, what is meant by receptionist? Receptionist means a person who greets and deals with visitors. We all know that if you visit any one hotel, that time we see that receptionist, he inquires also and greet also, okay, and give details about their facility also. Like this, there was also one receptionist at the entrance at the base, and he gave some instruction to the student. Now see, I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base to make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable. Firstly, he greet the all student like that. Welcome, you are welcome on the moon at the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, and be comfortable. Okay, enjoy your trip like this. Okay, then I would like you to take certain precautions. Listen carefully to my instruction. He said afterwards, after the greeting the student, he said, I would like to instruction, okay, carefully. Now student, you know that the gravitational force of the moon is one part of the six that of the earth. In the human settlements on the moon, a gravitational force is equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained. But outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. Now see, the most point is that on moon and about the earth. If you see student, the gravitational force of the moon is one part of the six as compared to the earth. For example, this is the earth, okay, and moon. Suppose student, my weight on the earth is a 600 kg. That will be on moon only 100 kg. Like that different curve. One part of 6. Okay student. And because of that receptionist told us you have to be careful while roam around there. Means while wander around the, we should careful. Okay. Then second instruction, that the second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shop which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. Students, we have seen the first instruction was what? The gravitational difference in between gravitational force. If you see that Neil Armstrong base that made that atmosphere, that gravitational force is made like our earth. Okay, that's why that settlement was comfortable for all the school trip. Okay, now see students, second instruction was that if you want to take some articles, if you want to do shopping on the moon, you have to only buy all the articles from the authorized shop and don't take articles from the unauthorized shop. What is mean by unauthorized? Not having official permission. Okay student, they don't have official permission to sell such as the articles, and that articles don't have a quality also. Okay student, if you want to buy good things you want to buy as a souvenirs, that time you have to only buy from the authorized shop. And after the telling that instruction, they also wish to all the student with signing, I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. Okay student, in this way that all the students and also signing that reach on a moon, and they also enter in the dome-shaped human settlement, and that settlement name was the Neil Armstrong settlement. Okay, base settlement. Okay, and the receptionist also gave them some instruction and tell them you have to follow that all instruction. Now next remaining part we will see in the next video. I hope you understand.